Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn about how to use the remainder theorem. Question is, work out the remainder when 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 39x plus 20 is divided by x minus 1. This function is a cubic function, so let me write this function. Fx is plus 20. In order to understand this question, let me ask you another question. What would be the remainder if we divide 13 by 3? Right? In order to find the answer, what you need to do is you need to find 13, as 13 is actually 3 times 4 plus 1. So you are dividing by 3 and 4 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Same goes to like 16 divided by 3. What's the remainder? So you need to find 3 is 3 times 5 plus 1. So the 1 is the remainder. So if you want to find the remainder when you want to divide by x minus 1, what you need to do, you need to convert this into, let's say this is equal to x minus 1 something, right? So we don't know what is the quotient is going to be, and you will get some remainder, right? So this fx is actually equal to this one, x minus 1 and something goes into the bracket plus remainder. So you don't need to find this quotient, right, in order to find the remainder. Instead, what you can do is, how can you make this everything into 0? If you substitute x equal 1, this whole part will become 0, right? Because x equal 1 means x minus 1 is 0. So you can find the remainder straight away. So if you want to find that's the trick that we are going to use. That's what you learned in the remainder theorem in the previous videos. So if you want to find the remainder, all you need to do is you need to substitute 1 for x. So the answer is going to be 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 squared minus 39 into 1 plus 20. This is equal to minus 22. So that's the answer. So the remainder is actually minus 22. That's the answer. And let's look at another question. There's a cubic function. Let me write fx is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7x plus k. And they are saying is when it is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is minus 1. So they are asking me to find the k. Okay, so fx is this one, and they are dividing by x plus 1. So you can convert this into x plus 1 and something, we don't know what is that, so that's a quotient, plus the remainder would be minus 8. Okay, so idea of remainder theorem is to make this whole thing is 0. If you want to make whole thing is 0, all you need to do, you need to substitute x equal minus 1. So f minus 1 is actually minus 1 to the cube. So we need to substitute minus 1 in this equation, this one, right? Minus 2 minus 1 squared plus 7 minus 1 plus k, and this is actually equal to minus 8. So let me simplify this one. This is minus 1. So minus 10 plus k equal minus 8. This will give us k equal 2. So that's the answer of this question. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn another theorem called factor theorem.